What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kyrie, and I'm back with another video. So look, today I'm about to be doing a washing wave method, or whatever you call it. I'm gonna be doing washing style for waves without a haircut. You feel me? It's pretty easy. A little tutorial I'm gonna show y'all. You're gonna need shampoo. That's all you're gonna need is shampoo and water. Your soft brush and your hard brush. That's what you're gonna need. First thing you wanna do, wet your hair. I got clothes on. So alright. First thing you want to do is wet your hair all around so it can get soapy and stuff like that. Just wet it, just like this. You don't need that much, but just wet your hair. Go down, get the back, all that. So what do we just wet it? Just wet it. It's not that hard, just wet your hair. Wet it. Once you're done, turn the water off. Dry your hands, dry your face. And then it's time for the shampoo. All right, so now we got the water in our hair. You want to take this shampoo. This is called, the shampoo that I'm using is called Modessa. I'm bending down right now. I'm in the tub. Modessa 2-in-1 dandruff shampoo, almond oil. So you can use any shampoo you want, but make sure it's not like the bad shampoo. This is how much you need. You don't need that much. You need just this much. It's not even a lot. Y'all be overdoing it. So once you got this much of shampoo, rub it together to a jelly, go like that. All right, all around your head until you feel like your hair is like completely soaked. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put the shampoo in my hair, the music gonna come on, it's gonna speed up, you know how it goes. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all, we back. So, as you can see, my whole hair is full of shampoo because that's how it's supposed to be. So if your hair looks like this, then you did it right. You did it completely right. Throw the top on that, John. Next thing you need is your hard brush. You need your hard brush. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna wet this brush a little bit. You need your hard brush. If you don't got a brush, then go buy one. I feel bad for you. All right, guys, after you use your hard brush, it should look exactly like this, because that means you did it right. And your hair should look like this too. Throw the hard brush to the side, because you finished using that. Next thing, you just want to wash all this out your hair. I'm gonna wash this all on my hair, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how my hair looks when we're done. I'll be right back. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the results now. Look at this. Y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. I don't really wear my do-rag like that, so I see it a little bit, but I don't really wear my do-rag like that. You can kind of see it though. And it's without a haircut. Let me put y'all boys on real quick. It's that argan oil. Go get with it. Softy only. Only grease I use. Look at that. Look at that. Just softy. And it smell good, bro. Put y'all boys on real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Make sure you like, comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. You dig? I got a banger on the way.
I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. Undercover G's and I'm a 9. 9. 16 and bitten that 29.